What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the iPhone 11. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where to find your battery percent remaining for your battery life. So if you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody looking for this information, please go ahead and share it with them. So the first thing I'd like to mention is, if you guys all remember the battery percent remaining, you were able to get it to light up here at the top right hand corner right next to the battery. You were able to get a percentage number. Unfortunately, that has gone away. There's not enough room up there to fit a lot of these different icons. So one of the things that they got rid of was the battery percent remaining, the number. So if you ever had issues with your phone dying randomly with even that indicator showing that there's some life left, and you just wanted to have an idea of, hey, about what percent is my phone dying. One of the ways you can check, one of the easier ways to find that battery percent remaining is just by swiping down, starting from the black portion of the screen and sliding onto the lit portion of the screen. You're able to see that mine is currently at 92%. Another method you could use is, if you have Siri activated, you could just ask, hey Siri, how much battery life do I have left? And it'll tell you. Another way is, if you plug your phone into a charger, you will also have a percent number pop up and show you for a brief period of time. So those are just a few different ways to get your battery life remaining. Unfortunately, there is no way to get that number to stay up there like that always, like you used to on previous phones that didn't have this little blackened portion of the bezel. So that's all I got for you guys in this one. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Once again, if you guys did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody looking for this information, please share it for them. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.